Fast welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Bandog. Its price prediction this year mega bullion because friends right now this meme coin is on its all-time low as many meme coin many base tier 1 cent like exchange listed meme coins are on their all-time lows. So Bandog is also right now on its all-time low. So is it possible that we can see Bandog recovery here? Because right now its market cap I can see just 1.5 million only, already hit I think 50 to 70 million dollars market okay a few months ago, but right now this meme coin I can see only 1.5 million market cap. So is it possible that we can see Bandog coin recovery soon here when BTC will again recover here? So is it possible that Bandog will recover and we can see its major central exchange listing in coming few months or no? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Bandog current price $0.0015 right now pump by just 1%, but last 30 days 43% dump, last 14 days 33% dump here. Current market right now friends only 1.5 million. So right now this meme coin is in massive dip here. It's obviously because of recent market crash. The BTC right now again trading on $78,000. So entire market is dumping. So its price is dump here, and its market cap is just 1.7 million. $1 million trading volume. This is amazing. That is still trading volume is more than $1 million. This is good. Solana ecosystem, Dog theme meme coin, we are right now almost 98% down than its all-time high. They were 10 months ago 98% down than its all-time high. There was $0.07, and right now you can see friends just 23 hours ago this meme coin make its all-time low, and right now we are 30% up than its all-time low was $0.0011, and right now we are 30% up. So somehow this is good after hitting its all-time low, and now we are going upward here. Hotcoin, Gate.io, MEXC, mostly centralized exchanges list this coin. Okay, very few centralized are here. Okay, so I'm holding this coin as I already show you many times on MEXC exchange. I purchased this coin I think few months ago. Its price was high, but right now its price is dumped here too much. So friends, no doubt due to recent market crash, entire market is dumping. All the meme coins are right now dump barely here. Mostly are Binance listed meme coins that are also on their all-time lows. That's why Bandog is also dumped very huge here. You can see 98% dump. But friends, definitely this crypto market and this is a meme coin. Maybe we can see BTC recover again, and BTC when again hit $90,000 or at least $85,000. At that time, we can see good recovery in Ben Dogecoin. But right now, only market cap is just 1.5 million. So market cap is super low. Trading volume is no doubt good because already I think 8 central exchanges has listed this coin. 8 to 10 central exchanges has listed this coin. That's why trading volume is still good. But definitely when crypto market will again recover, then we can see this meme coin to the moon again is possible. I'm not saying this coin is done or rugged, no like that. I'm also holding this coin on Gear.io and MEXE in both accounts also. So my price prediction is same as I already show you in my previous videos. Okay, yeah, I think this coin, this dog theme meme coin, Solana ecosystem has potential to be the next big meme coin in crypto market because already made a massive hype in crypto market, almost touched 40 to 50 million dollars market. Okay, a few months ago, and maybe we can see massive hype for Bandog again when crypto market will recover. Now it's all depends upon BTC and all crypto market. If BTC going up, we can see massive boom in meme coins and many other cryptocurrencies. But if BTC is dumping again due to tariffs news, okay, Trump's tariff news, then definitely this meme coin can maybe make new all-time lows. At that time, maybe we can see its market around just 1 million only. But in this year super cycle meme coins mega bullion, if this meme coin survive this term, then we can see in $1 billion, no doubt. And if you not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel for other cryptocurrencies updates here. Just like I share you okay recent market crash and few best meme coins that I'm going to buy in this dip. Okay, I share you here Shiruniku, Chill Guy, Turbo, Wave, Floki, Bread, these are some of my best favorite meme coins that I'm going to buy this coin. And friends, this video is very important where I share you 30 best meme coins for this year's super cycle meme coins mega bull. And definitely crypto market will again recover when we see the days of meme coins again in crypto market. At that time, these 30 meme coins, my top best 30 meme coins will skyrocket here. So you can also join my telegram channel, link in description. And if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I provide these all my crypto addresses, links in description. You have to just click here in pinned message. Okay, you can get my addresses, you can copy these addresses, and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins.